She's my former classmate, back from Krizani Arts and Culture Focus School. She's humble, beautiful, down-to-earth person. I'm talking about Sindiswa.
Hello everyone, I come from a very toxic background in Kailicha. My specializations are dance and drama, that is mainly I'm an artist.
As a young South African, what have you learned on the story Pain O'Clock?
Basically, we have been working on a production called Pain O'Clock. In this production, it says a lot about the issues that everyone face one way or another, because it affects us all at some point of life. The issue is basically about ukungabikho komuntu kokutata in a child's life. So loo nto leyo iye yenze into yokubana ngaba in the upbringing of the child impacte ulife wakhe negatively into things that umntwana azenze, things that umntwana azicinge, and then some eventually commit suicide. But into Pain O'Clock, it affects life umntwana very negatively in such a way that umntwana aphele esela like esenza into ezingalunganga that esingenozikhuthaza nathi.
Can you tell us about your role on Pain O'Clock?
So Pain O'Clock, it's kind of like very tricky because this is a production that is mainly about physical theater. And within the physical theater genre, you found out that one character plays various roles. So we, as the cast of Pain O'Clock, we are only 3 actors. But even though we are 3, the characters that appear on stage, there are 6. So as for me, I play 3 characters, but I'll only elaborate on one character, which is Usapokazi Dondolo. She's a very vibrant young child in her grade 11. She's very smart and she likes poetry also. Usapokazi in this production, indlela ewakhula ngayo iyamchaphazela ngohlobo lokubana ngaba uye wakhuliswa ngutata obe yena utata wakhe engekho ebomini bakhe. So utata wakhe uthe ukhuleni kwakhe engazi okulungileyo nokungalunganga, because there was no father who'd stand in front of him amxelele that izinto zobudoda zenziwa kanje, izinto zokukhula zenziwa kanje. So loo nto leyo iyamchaphazela into yokubana ngaba amkhulise ngendlela engeyiyo umntwana wakhe ongulo ungusaphokazi.
We all know that COVID-19 have made our life a mess. Sindiswa, how did COVID-19 affect your art?
The crisis of COVID-19, it has impacted the lives of many people ngendlela ezininzi nezahlukileyo. And as for me personally, nanjenge artist, enye yenjongo zam was to develop more skills within the art industry. Bese ndijongene necala la poetry also, but yona ithe yakufika yandivalela amathuba anjalo yokubana ngaba mandikhule as a person and ukukhula within the art industry.
What can you say to the cast and viewers of Pain O'Clock?
Pain O'Clock cast, it has been nothing but a great journey with their commitment engamandla kakhulu. But ingcebiso yami, it will rely on them to expect the unexpected at all the times. So whatever reaction that they may gain okanye they may receive from your audience while the audience is watching them on stage, ingase ingabaphazamisi into what they are doing on stage, but it will allow them to dig more into their self and come up with their creativity, their improvisation. So loo nto leyo izawubenza into yokubana ngaba nabo bakhule as artists within the art industry and bawuthembe umsebenzi wabo ngalo lonke ixesha. And our viewers, which is our audience, ndizabulela kakhulu ke bethuna, that's the only thing that I have for them. Ndiyabulela ngentsebenziswano ngokusithemba, and also for always supporting our work at all the times, because actually without them guys, I'm like, we wouldn't be the same person that we are today. Like, they gave us ithemba, they gave us that driven motion into Bangaba. We go and do more research. We go and plan. We go and come up with new ideas that can improve the production on its own. So we are very thankful of their trust on us, for their belief, and also for their endless support. So I wish they will never baphele amandla nanini na.
The journey of life, it's hard and painful. We're gonna fail at some point, we're gonna win. But when we fail, let's not lose hope. And remember, fail stands for first attempt in learning. Let's stay positive. The viewers, please follow Sindiswa and other artists. Thank you so much to Sindiswa for letting us into your world. This is Epenzo. I'm your lady, Nontyatyambo, Tabata, and I'm out.